Now, this is what your pantry could, or your laundry room, sorry, could look like if we narrowed up, made a narrow, and it's not really that much difference. We're talking a 21 inch versus a 24-inch cabinet. Um, but that's what you would need to do is you need to narrow this up. Let me get that out of the way. So to say, but the nice thing about it, I kind of checked it out with the average size vacuum. You'd have to, put it in there sideways, but your typical, upright vacuum cleaner could fit in that space. All right, and then there might be a room for a broom in there and that sort of thing. Um, so what makes this less expensive is you only have 3 cabinets versus um, like one bigger cabinet plus uh, 2 normal size cabinets and then that little kind of useless cabinet that you need a step ladder for. So this design also would allow for you to have kind of like a folding platform above, which would be nice. So we could build a nice little I wouldn't go crazy with the materials. I mean, I'd get it, we could fit a nice Formica style countertop in there. And I think it would be quite nice. We're going all the way to the ceiling with the cabinets. But yeah, like I said, the cost of the pantry is going to be almost $1,000 more just in cabinets alone. So I haven't priced everything out yet on it, but um, basically I get a wholesale price and then I mark it up. Um, so to the list price, basically. Um, so that's what I did. And then, of course, I'm just going to stop this for now. So I'll have like